So this is a great question, and we understand the hesitancy for businesses to migrate, but there are several benefits that you don't get from being on-prem. In today's work environment, we would argue that being on the cloud is more beneficial than being on-prem for multiple reasons. Firstly, there is a cost and maintenance benefit when migrating to the cloud. Think of it like higher education. If you go to a university, you pay more than if you did an online course. One of the reasons for this is because a university has to pay to run the building, pay for heating, electricity, water bills, etc., and maintain the campus, whereas those costs are not passed to a student studying online. So this is essentially how it works with on-prem. You have to pay for the upkeep of the hardware and the cooling systems, whereas with the cloud, you don't have to pay a hefty upfront cost, as it's usually subscription based, and you don't have to pay for any upkeep of servers, as this is taken care of by your cloud provider. So it is more cost effective and it requires less hassle than going on the cloud, allowing you to focus on what matters most to you. Another big advantage of migrating to the cloud is security. Microsoft themselves have said that 58% of companies believe that apps that come in contact with critical data or systems need to be on-prem because it allows them to have more control and a third party isn't involved, so fewer people have access to critical data. However, the issue with this is that you'll be solely responsible for creating a security system, and that means that you need to have a high level of expertise, constant monitoring and maintenance, which requires a lot of work and a lot of money. With the cloud, security has advanced rapidly to the point where Gartner estimates that public cloud service workloads will suffer at least 60% fewer security incidents than those in traditional data centers. At Newscaler, we provide a comprehensive, multi-layered security system such as continual threat monitoring, access control systems, application security, suspicious login and activity monitoring, as well as much more. The point is, being on the cloud means you're not alone when securing your valuable data, and you have access to cybersecurity experts that can safeguard your business assets 24/7. There are many more benefits to migrating to the cloud, such as the ability to scale, reliability, which in turn includes the ability to back up data and at scale too, and a really important one for the new age of remote work is the ability to work anywhere with a virtual desktop. So essentially, yes, on-prem has its advantages, but in this new day and age, the cloud is much more suitable to meet the requirements of a flexible, safe and secure work environment. And don't forget the cost saving. But we understand that it isn't ideal for everyone to move solely to the cloud. And that is why Newscaler also has a hybrid solution so that you can get the best of both worlds. And this will be discussed in a future video. So start your cloud journey today.